Well, hi everyone, welcome to Echo Art with Carmella-T. So I wanted to bring you along with me a little bit, if I could, to share with you the little workshop that we're getting ready to do today. And I'll just show you the setup so you have an idea of how it goes. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. This is where we create with recycled fabrics, materials, and supplies, and encourage artists to use what's around them to create as much as possible, and to help give the statement that using and extending fabrics, materials, supplies, the more we do that, the less goes in the landfill, and the more we make the statement that we need to care about our earth. So here I am. I am early, and the reason I'm early is I wanted to set up here, set the classroom up, and this is in a historic building. So as I'm walking, you'll see, well, you may see some artwork on the walls, but you see the beautiful woodwork. And so I'm just going to stand over here. I want to show you the couple of tables here I set up with my artwork. You can see, and I just got a better view for you there. This piece you have seen. This is on my book, on the cover of my book. And these are the little wall hangings, little samples. Let's see, maybe I'll get a better view this way. So, but these are the a few wall hangings laid out, and then our bracelets laid out, and just to give a visual of different ways that you can create. And you can use little dowels, but you can use popsicle sticks, and you can use a twine, or you can use fabric, for the, or even thread for your mini wall hanging. So it's, and that just gives an idea that what we're learning here today, and this is the scarf, a lot of you have seen this. Actually, we did this together on the YouTube channel. All of these pieces we did together on the YouTube channel, every piece here. And this is the coin bag. So these are a couple different coin bags. Next week we'll be focusing on those. So I wanted to bring you along with me, and just say, if you're interested in joining us, you're coming up here to Vermont and are passing through, or you're going to be around, or you want to come on this side of the state, come on over. And next Saturday, June 14th, is when we'll be making the boro-inspired coin bags. And we're more than happy to have you. We have lots of room, and there's plenty of time to jump on board, and there is financial aid. So with that, I hope to see you, and I'm just going to give you a visual of the workshop here, so you can see. Right here, this is what we're doing today, is the wall hangings. And you can see it says River Arts. And then next week we'll be doing the coin bags, and with all scrap fabrics. And I provide all the scrap fabrics, the threads, the needles, and I pre-cut everything for you, because this is your first time attempting this project, and you want to be totally relaxed and happy and enjoy, and really be able to focus on the stitching. And once you get the stitching, once you get the methodology or the concept and mindset of the boro-sashiko that was created in Japan in the 1400s, once you get the concept, you create, and you really love and enjoy your time creating, and that's what we want you to be able to do here. So with that, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to answer. And you know, I love to do videos and answering a lot of your questions. So I wanted to just update you, and we'll see you in the next one. And have a beautiful day. Love and light.